Hello guys, quick video here. We are going to cover my crypto predictions. Today is the 12th of February, so we had a very volatile day across all crypto markets, especially on the three cryptocurrencies that I'm covering. The one that you're seeing right here is the Stellar chart. We'll cover the other ones very soon, but basically what we had today is a day where the price dips and then it recovers. Basically all across the cryptos that I'm going to cover on this video, okay? So we see that some cryptos perform better than others. You have Stellar, which did actually the best today. They got a really nice pump at the recovery, and it jumps, I think, a significant percentage regarding the starting position. Yeah, almost 6%. Very good for Stellar. Is the best performing cryptocurrency today. Tomorrow we can expect, I think, there's a small possibility of seeing another impulse, another green day, but I wouldn't be so sure because we have this range of days and it usually only covers one day. So we had the correction yesterday on the 11th, just like I predicted. We had the uptrend today, and if we get another one tomorrow, then it's going to be pretty good because it will mean another level. Now, guys, this is the projection. This is an indicator, a personal indicator that I use sometimes, especially on yellow days. I usually don't really pay attention to it because it's not that accurate compared to my predictions. I mean, no other indicator, the RSI or moving average or whatever, is as accurate as my predictions, guys. I can predict anything from weeks, months, and even years in advance. So there's nothing that comes even close to that levels of accuracy. So just ignore the projection unless you want to see some of the price range if you're doing perpetuals. But I still wouldn't really pay attention to this because like I just told you, it's not that accurate compared to my predictions. So I think the next days are going to be a series of massive ranges. We see lots of yellow days, connected yellow days. Now, some of these could be very volatile, especially I hope on the green days of the boxes. But I think because we saw basically the same happen on the first 7 days of the month, something like that, between the first and the second week of this month, we see that many of these days were in range. So I think the same can happen in this massive range of days, at least a week, probably even more. So yeah, be aware of that if you're if you're doing day trading. Just avoid doing that, doing some perpetuals or something, because on range days they're very boring, and if you're doing spot trading, that's where the most losses are going to happen. So for the next prediction, again, I told you guys, Bitcoin chart right here, again the same pattern, volatility. We got the price dips and recovers. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. It recovers not as good as Stellar, but still it was a recovery. Very volatile day. Look at this. It had the 12 in opposite energies, and also inside this massive yellow circle right here contains several days. So just like I told you for Stellar, the same will apply to Bitcoin. Maybe with some minor differences, because we see many days in the yellow range. It will only end at the 15th of February, which could open with a correction. And this is very dangerous right here for crypto, for Bitcoin especially, because it could connect to this red circle right here. That means we could see consecutive corrections. So we have to be prepared for that. The 17th could also be a very volatile day, and the 15th as well. So yeah. For the final chart, we have Solana. Again, the same pattern, but Solana right here is, I think, the coin that actually did the worst today, because the recovery is not that strong. It's basically a yellow day. It's the same position as the starting one. So unless something change in the next couple hours, going upwards, I don't think it's going to basically move from this direction, okay, from this position. I think it will end as a yellow day. That was actually part of the deal right here. You can see that there was a lone yellow circle for Solana on this day, the 12th. So yeah, everything else again came exactly like I predicted, guys. And at least for Solana, it's showing me that there are some potential for nice pumps tomorrow and on the 14th. And this is going to be wild because the 15th is also going to be very, very volatile. So it will be the best case scenario right here could be that we get 2 consecutive green days for Solana tomorrow and on the 14th before the volatility on the 15th, because this is quite dangerous. If it goes down, it will connect with the 16th of February. Okay, so it's quite dangerous right here. There's a potential of seeing consecutive corrections. That's always very bad. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. I want to remind you all to subscribe, share, and like. Hit the comment section. Give me your suggestions, your insights. Guys, I am still doing the work for the meme coin group. I'm doing more experiments, but I have realized that in order to really have a very good meme coin group, we're going to need more people. Okay, so I was thinking that maybe 20 to 10 people, something like that, but now I am realizing that 50 people will be the bare minimum. Ideally, 100 people above that is going to be very good, but 50 people is going to be the bare minimum, because we need volume to launch those meme coins. We need to strike attention from other investors, from other people in Pump Fund or other dexes. So we need more volume for that, and to get more volume we need more people, because we cannot expect a single individual to be to put like, I don't know, 1 or 2 Solana in the liquidity pool. We can expect all people putting at least $1,000. I mean, that's not realistic. So I also will not. I won't do any launches that really have no volume, basically. So yeah, we need more people, but I'm really working with very cool experiments out there. I'm researching a lot of stuff, a lot of data, a lot of hidden websites where I can consult the data. It's not your usual Dune or whatever. It's more advanced. So yeah, having said that, I wish you again a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.